Your broker is a pyramid scheme. Let me explain why. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those that are new here, my name is Andrew Dunn, and over the last few years, I've helped sell billions in real estate for brokers, agents, and teams all over North America. And along with my partner, we sell homes in Boca Raton in Florida. And we've also helped over 100 agents cross $100,000 and up in GCI through our coaching program and through our mentorship with our EXP organization. So everything you're learning here is through practice and not through theory. Now, in today's video, it's going to be super controversial and juicy, and I've got my iPad out for that exact reason, because your brokerage is a pyramid scheme. Now, this is something we hear all the time at EXP because EXP has a decentralized recruiting model, aka you as an agent can go out and recruit another agent and you actually get financially incentivized to do so, but at no other brokerage is that happening. You can go recruit as many people as you want to Remax or KW, and they're not, you might get a Starbucks gift card, right? But you're not getting anything else. Now, here's the fact of the matter, and I'll explain exactly why. With a traditional model, you got your broker at the top. So this might be KW, for example. It might be Remax, it might be Compass, it might be Century 21, Berkshire. There's no particular shade. I'm throwing shade at the traditional model in its entirety, not particular brokerage per se. You're your broker at the top. Then below that, you'll have your franchises, whether they're market centers or whatever, right? So you got your broker, they take a cut. You got your franchises, their market centers, they're now taking a cut. You've then got your team leaders, they're taking a cut, and then there's the agents below them. So they're all getting a piece of your cake, but you're not getting a piece of any of their cakes, right? When with EXP, you bring in another agent, they succeed, you help them succeed, you get paid. The better the company does, the whole brokerage does, you also, because you receive stock awards at EXP, and the stock it's NASDAQ traded, so I can't say it always goes up, but the stock has a value, right? And the brokerage is obviously growing. And if you just look at historical data, the stock has risen from a penny stock to now obviously being traded on the NASDAQ. It's the fact that you are then getting another pool of income generated for you for doing exactly what you did before. But I want to stay poignant with the whole pyramid scheme, basically rubbish that is being portrayed, because actually every brokerage, every company in the world, technically by how people describe EXP, is a pyramid scheme. The difference with EXP is you actually get compensated on adding value to the company, right? There is more of a network effect at EXP than any other brokerage in the world, because the more agents that come in, the more value that's added to the company, the more the company grows, the more people want to come and the more value they add, and so on and so forth. So there's this real network effect, which is why it's the fastest growing brokerage in North American history, right? And why there's thousands of agents joining every month. If it was a bad brokerage like people portray, we would have more people leaving than joining. And that's obviously not true. So listen, if you would like to learn more about partnering with us and joining the Maverick team, then there is a link down in the description below, or you can go to agentmaverick.com. You can speak with me and my partner on how we can help you scale to 6 figures and up in GCI, help your business succeed, and how we've helped do it for over 100 agents already. So this is a tried and true methodology. We would love to have a chat with you. It's all about you and how your business, how your team, how your mega team, whatever it is, what can succeed in the future, and moving on with EXP. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you want to give us a call and we can chat with you. If not, I will see you in the next one.